With everything happening around us, can you still deny that climate change is real? I believe we all have a responsibility to think about our future.
What a world beneath a fevered sky. We traded green for concrete and then asked the earth why. Rain beats the east, heat burns the west, drought grips the southern ground, and every river sings a sorrow as it struggles to be found. Mother Earth is calling, can you hear her cry through smoke? We can turn from harming, build a healing path we spoke. What a world, and we can change the song if we hold this fragile home and learn where we went wrong. Plant a tree, let rivers breathe, and keep the mountains bright. This is our one shared future. Let us heal the yours tonight.